First of all, I would like to congrats all of the SSC candidates who have got the admit card for their SSC CGL 2018 document verification. Okay, so I would like to say firstly that if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button, because I will be bringing you the interviews of all of those candidates who have been belonging to your region and they have done their DV before your shifts. Means I will be conducting some of the interviews with the SSC CGL aspirants who have just get their DV done before or after 30th of the January. Okay. So you will also get the rough idea about the what are the documents are getting required and what are the more further processes in the document verification of CGL 2018. Okay, so now let's move to the main segment of the video, that is what are the list of the documents which are required for your SSC CGL 2018 notification. So first of all, I would like to say that the must certificate which you have is the first of all is your class 10th certificate. Okay, means if you are graduate, then it's but sure then you must have passed the class 10th and intermediate, then only you might have done the graduation. Okay, then you must be having a matriculation certificate with clear serial number mentioned on it. Okay, because that is the thing which is recorded. Okay, and the date of the release of that certificate is also important. So please note it that these two things are very much written in clearly, and your date of birth is matched with this class 10 certificate only. Means if there is any mistake in your form and in the class 10 certificate, then that will be totally entertained according to your class 10th matriculation certificate. So be assured, okay, that it is not any disturbance or not any misspelled or any wrong in your certificate. Okay, so now you might have understood that what is the basic and what is the importance of this class 10th matriculation certificate. In class 10th matriculation, most probably your certificate, that is of marksheet, will be asked. Not more than that may be asked. If they ask, they might ask for your that passing certificate. Okay, but at least you should be having your class 10th marksheet. Now let's move to the second number point, that is your graduation certificate. Okay, means it may or may not that your intermediate or intermediate level any certificate may be asked. Okay, but it is usually asked. So that's why my second most important is, in priority wise I am telling, it's your graduation certificate. Okay, so graduation certificate is up before your crucial date. Okay, means the crucial date for examination was about 4th of June 2018. So your certificate must have been released before 4th June 2018. If that certificate have been released after that, okay, means the date mentioned on that certificate is after that, then you may be in trouble. Okay, so please may assure, there is one YouTube channel which named SSC Crack. Okay, so that sir was called for DB in 2017. Okay, SSC CGL 2017, but finally he got rejected due to his certificate date. Okay, means it was lagging around 9 to 10 days. So even a single day matters a lot. So you should be assured that the date mentioned on your certificate should be before the crucial date. Okay, so before the crucial dates, that's very important, and that may be your final passing certificate, graduation, or your mark sheet. Okay, but more oftenly that's passing is valid. Okay, and you know that the mark sheet comes first, passing comes later. So and if I talk about some of the universities of India which even give it after 1 or 2 years of your passing, after passing your final exam, so be assured that you must be having the passing certificate before of the crucial date. Okay, so you must have understand, and date of birth, name and father's name, these all will be matched as per your graduation certificate very minutely. Okay, please focus on this word. These dates and particularly basic details will be matched very minutely according to your graduation certificate. Okay, so now let's move to the third part, third document, that is your class 12th certificate, or you may have done the diploma or class 12th equivalent certificate. Okay, that may be asked, may or may not be, but usually it is asked. In some of the regions in 2017 DV it was not asked, but it was oftenly asked. So you may be prepared that you must be possessing that document also, and same criteria applies to that of class 10th and as of graduation. So need not to worry about it if you have all of the belongings with you. Okay, so fourth, the documents, required document is their category certificate. If you have been belonging from your means unreserved, then you need not to give your that certificate. But if you are belonging to any of the reserved category, then you will have to give that document, you will have to present that certificate to them. Okay, so please be assured that you are having that certificate. I would like to please focus on these, all of the OBC and CL candidates. Focus OBC and CL candidates. Okay, that you must be possessing your certificate before the crucial date. Before the crucial date, that was 4th June 2018, something around this only. Okay, and not that much sure. So please make sure from the official notification. So your certificate must have been made before it. Must have been made before this crucial date. Okay, and if you will be having the certificate of after this date, then it will be provisionally accepted. Okay, not clear means if you will go for document verification, then there are two types of candidate who got selected. Okay, firstly, after your successful DV, either it will be written clear or either it will be written provisional. So if you are not having certificate before of the crucial date or up to the crucial date, then you will be considered as clear, and if you are having the certificate after your crucial date, then you will be considered as provisional. So please make sure that you are having the certificate before the crucial date. And if you have made it, okay, you got it, but you are missing it, then try to find it in your home. It's maybe in your home and get it, because it may, and you know that when it is provisionally accepted, then there is very much deep research done, or they verify it very minutely as is it real or fake. So please make sure that you are having that. Okay, and as far as it's concerned about the other categories, okay, means other categories, that may be your SC, STs, PWD, okay, VH, OH. So all of these, they must also be having that certificate in the prescribed format. Okay, the prescribed format which has been mentioned in the SSC CGL notification, that is important. Okay, you should you don't forget this, that some of the states have their own certificate format and the central has the other one. So central, since this is the job of central government, so you need to present the certificate which is in central government format. Okay, and you know that central government format is more or less equal for each examinations. Okay, either it is SSC, either it is railway, either it is UPSC, means it is more or less same for all of the categories. So you should recheck it that you are having the document in that prescribed format only. Okay, and as if you are not having that, then please try to get it within as you are some of the time which you are having before your final DV. Okay, so try to get it within few days. Okay, so these were the list of 4 to 5 most important things which you need to present in your DV. Okay, and more other things may be asked. If you are taking age relaxation, then you will have to present that age relaxation certificate. If you and this one also, that you also need to present your recent photograph. Okay, try to mention it that you need to present your recent photograph. If you are having any older one, try to get a new one. Okay, so these 5 things I have told you. Now apart from these 5 things, there are much more things which you need to keep in mind. For example, you must be having this self-attested copies of all of these 5 documents which I have stated earlier. Okay, you must be having the self-attested copy. What is the self-attested copy? You are graduate students, so you must have been knowing about this self-attested. Instead, I am explaining it in briefly, that the photocopy or just xerox of the documents, okay, that original document, and below it must have been written that self-attested and your signature and date. Okay, if you have not mentioned date, no problem, but self-attested written and your signature should be there. Okay, so this is what self-attested. So self-attested copy of 3 must documents they will be ask you. First is your matriculation certificate, second is your graduate certificate, third is your intermediate, and fourth if you are belonging to any category. Okay, so these are asked. And if you are taking age relaxation, then age relaxation certificate will be also asked. Moreover, okay, please concentrate on this point, that your option form matters a lot. Okay, your option forms matter a lot, so please fill option form very minutely and very sincerely. Okay, as there are some posts in SSC CGL which have some of the physical standards, means in there you will have to be physically prepared, and I will also mention those in upcoming videos. So please subscribe to the channel and stay with us, as I will be guiding you for your till your SSC CGL DV. Okay, so if your DV is lying between 28th January to 31st January, please comment below. Okay, I would like to focus and request you, all of you SSC aspirants, that if your DV is in between 27 to 28th January, as it is starting from it, to 31st of January, please mention and comment it below. And what will happen, that I will contact you. Okay, I contact you. You may also contact me on the email which is provided on the screen or in the comment box, and that we will be having a short conversation that will be helpful for all other SSC CGL candidates who are going to appear in the upcoming shifts. Okay, so please cooperate with us. See, if you will not deliver, then you know that in digital world it is not one way process, it is two-way process. Means if you are not delivering down, then how it will be possible? So please try to cooperate. If you miss, please focus again, that if your DV is in between 28th of January or the first day of DV to January 31st, please comment below. If your DV date is in between from any region, if you are belonging to any region, please comment below, and I will be having a short interview of yours on Zoom. Okay, Zoom app, and I will be uploading that video on my YouTube channel, and the thousands of students who are coming for the SSC DV, they will be benefited from that video, and they will also bless you. Okay, so please cooperate with us and comment below if your DV is in between 27th or first shift of that DV to the 31st of January. So I hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. You can also give the feedback in the comment box section. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.